Wow, you call a helicopter?
Yeah, could have told me off for riding my bike up here.
Is it?
Maybe.
Yeah, I may be able to park through here. Come down here. Well, look at how lucky I am. I was just standing in a campsite in Hayden, isn't it? Hayden. And then I met these great people, and they have a very amazing industry, and they do laser cutting, they do soldering, they repaired the engine for the Euro trains, believe it or not. They have like 5 engines out there, and those guys, this guy here, Sam, that little 9 years old, is doing all this cutting. Jesus Christ, that is a nice thing, isn't it? All those as well? You're good.
See if Rosie knows what that is.
Oh, that's a slate. That's stone.
Stone? But
Yeah.
see if you know what that is.
What's that?
Someone tell me.
You know what Bluebird K7 is?
I'm not sure what it is. An airplane?
Nope, a boat. It's a boat that crashed in 1967.
A boat?
67.
Wow. How amazing. How amazing. That is a boat. What's the name? K7?
Bluebird K7.
Wow. And you do all this stuff?
Yep.
Wow, and you're clever, aren't you? Amazing, bro. That's incredible. That you have all this business to run. Congratulations.
And we have that stuff as well that we
Which one?
then these things.
Wow. Your dad must be very proud of you. That's a dad. Big man over there. Well, I'm gonna keep with the stories in a minute. Now I had to put my tent up and then trying to sleep. Tomorrow we'll go to Beamish. See you later, guys. Hello. Well, you won't believe it. I met this fellow here. His name is Ray. Right, he have a massive industry here in the middle of Hayden. And this is Ben. Sam, who is working with his dad. And those guys offer me a space to camping. All right, I am camping, but not only that, they also give me a spectacular, nice, fleecy hoodie. What do you think? Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Well. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Well, guys, good morning. Today seems to be a very good day. Very sunny, very nice, very beautiful. Now I am in the campsite yesterday, which I came about 8 p.m. Saw the guy walking around because he heard the motorbike, and he came out, and I said to him, "Listen, that is at the campsite. Can I stay here?" I said, "Yes, of course. Where you come from?" "I come from Venezuela." "Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Come in, please, come in." So I come in the campsite. The campsite is absolutely empty. There's no one single person in here except my tent. And then yesterday he said, "You want to see my industry? You want to see my factory?" I said, "Oh yeah, I love that. So I went there to see his factory, and then we were talking about the stuff that he do and his kid do as well. His kid is very, very clever, very adamant to work, and he likes the thing. He gave me some, so we work around, and he showed me his kid job, and he told me, "Oh, this is what my kid do," and he gave me a couple of cap holder to don't damage the furniture and stuff. So I get to it, and he said, "Wow, I'm so amazed." And then oh my goodness, getting chilly, getting cold. I say, "Do you want a hoodie?" I say, no, thank you. I have everything I need. No. Have a hoodie from the company. I say, "Oh really, man? Yeah. Give me a very, very nice hoodie yesterday, which served me quite well because I was freezing. I mean, the temperature moved around like a minus, and it was so cold in the tent. Tell you what, this tent is very small, but it's really, really good. It's a super little tent that really protect me from many countries I've been. Anyway, story short is that give me the hoodie. I say, "How much for the camp?" I say, "Nothing. We're closed. We're not gonna charge you anything." I mean, I feel really, really happy with how the people treat me, and a great thing to happen when you I'm just traveling around on a motorcycle, especially with my beautiful Stephanie. Now somebody told me BMW means, what BMW means is be my wife. So basically, well, we are together. Well, thank you very much, guy. See you later. Bye.